And look carefully at this piece of her clothing. Here, it is coming out of her waist. Here, it is going above this first belt, but here, it is going below the belt and it comes out here. In reality, there is nothing up or down. It is just one stone. So this is all an illusion. This could be Mohini, the goddess of illusion, an unstoppable force that cannot be understood but only felt. And she's shown as a giant because you can see two humans here. They look tiny compared to her. This one looks astonished to see her beauty. The other man is also quite excited to see her features.